Bonjour, this is Julian, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous seaside promenade along the Mediterranean coast at Nice, France. It extends from the airport on the west to the Quai des États-Unis on the east, a distance of approximately 7 kilometers. We are looking at how to pronounce Promenade des Anglais is how it would be said in French. Promenade des Anglais. Promenade des Anglais, or it'd be fine in English or American to say Promenade des Anglais. Promenade des Anglais in Nice, France. Promenade des Anglais. Here are many more videos on how to pronounce famous places in France and in the Côte d'Azur in the south of France. Au revoir.